Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a vegetarian yaki udon. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you the ingredient what I have today. I got my ground ginger, fresh ground ginger, just maybe about a teaspoon, and this also about a teaspoon of the mirin. And here I got the soy sauce. It's just about a tablespoon. And I have the tomato sauce, also called a ketchup. Okay, I have here about 2 tablespoons. For the vegetable, what I have here is finely chopped garlic. I have 1 clove in here. And this one also just a fine chopped carrot. And this is the shiitake mushroom. You can use fresh one, but I have today is the dry one, and I do rehydrate and just finely chop. And here I have the spring onion, also just chop in the pieces, and I separate most the white part and separate with the green part. And in the middle I have the just this like a chopped onion, just normal onion. And here onion is just need about if you got a big onion, you only need about a quarter. Okay, then here I have the sweet corn, also called a baby corn. I just cut angle like this. Maybe I'll show you, just cut the angle like that. Okay, this is the baby corn. You can just cut like this. And I have this. I have snow pea here. Normally snow pea, when you boil at home, what you need to prepare is just take this tip. Then sometimes on the side is quite straight like this, as you can see. This is fiber quite tough. It's not good texture, so you just peel out for the bottom. Sometimes you see if you don't peel out nothing, which means this is tender. And over here I have the udon noodle. Okay, this udon noodle is I made from the flour. If you want to know how to make a udon noodle, you can check my other video how to make a udon noodle. It will show you step by step from flour to become the udon noodle, handmade. Alright, and today special ingredient is this. I have the HP sauce. Okay, maybe you feel weird why you use HP sauce, but this is very how do I say, it's like some kind special sour and sweet taste. I like it, so I will add this into my sauce. Okay, you can easily get it in the local market. Okay, they call HP sauce. I leave it here. And today my secret ingredient is apple. Okay, I got this apple. You can use green apple or red apple, doesn't matter. But today what I pick up is the called Fuji. This type of apple is Fuji apple, because Fuji, I like the Fuji apple, is nice sweet flavor. I have one already here, and what I need is going to grate. Okay, to the fine. Okay, let me remove my knife long. All you need just grate this. Okay, to the end. But make sure you don't want to grate the seed in, because seed will give you very bit taste. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Okay, good. Okay, now first we're going to make our sauce. Okay, first of all, just grab this in. Okay, okay, good. Then next, put in tomato sauce. It's also called a ketchup. Okay, ketchup in. Then there's our soy sauce. In, and this is our mirin. Okay, in, and there's our ginger. Okay, in. Then last ingredient, put our HP sauce. You don't need much, just the tiny. Okay, I think that's enough. Just about the one tablespoon. That's enough. Okay, give a little stir. Okay, Now let's bring our sauce to heat up here. To balance up, you need a little bit of sugar. Okay, what I got here, just add in about 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, that will be fine. Now let's bring our heat up. Okay, in this stage, we're going to boiling our sauce for about 2 minutes. Okay, that is good. All right, when it started boiling, then you can, I wish you can smell the fragrance that already started to come out. First, you can smell the ginger come in. Then second, you start to smell the tomato sauce and soy sauce and the HP sauce combined together. This very, very special fragrance come out. Okay, while it's boiling, be careful. In this stage, you see, then turn low your heat, otherwise you will burn yourself. All right, turn to the low heat, then continually stir and let the boiling for about another 1 minute to 2. Okay. Okay, and here a little tip is, sometimes you will find when you're boiling the sauce, you will find a little bit of stick on the side. Okay, let me turn this. Okay, you can see on the side a little bit like a brown burning. You must take care of that, otherwise if over burning, then it will give you a bitter taste, so you don't want that. What is sort out this problem, you can bend down a little angle, then let your sauce like wash out on the edge. Okay, then you can see it's gone. Okay, that's a little tip to show you. Like that. That's why you can see every time when we create a sauce, we always move, keep stirring, and also move our saucepan. Let me have some little taste. See, everything is good in condition. Good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Right. Done. Okay, now let's turn off our heat. Then let the sauce put the standby on the side. Okay, right. Then next step, I'm going to boiling my udon noodle. Now my water is boiling. Then let's start to cook our udon noodle. Okay, this fresh udon noodle straight into our hot. After in, then you will use your chopstick, get a little stir. Okay, you don't need to over stir it, just make sure it don't stick it together, that's all. Okay, then in this stage, because the udon noodle is quite thick, so you will take about 10 minutes, okay, to cook to udon noodle. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare my ice water in here. Okay. I need a lot of water. After 10 minutes, bring the udon noodle straight into the ice water. So it also can help the udon noodle get a nice chewy texture. Alright, after 10 minutes, let me show you. My udon noodle is about ready. Even if you are not sure is the cooker too, very simple thing is just pick up one, put it in the cold water, then have a little taste. See if it's good too. Okay, now it's perfect. Good too. Ready? Let's grab up, shake out almost the. Then immediately into the ice cold water. Okay, then I think it should be fine now. It's good for me. It's cooling down immediately. You don't want to soak in the water, otherwise your noodle will also getting soaky. So just leave it out immediately. Bowl, stand by on the side. Okay, that's good for me. So let's noodle stand by on the side. All right, next step, I'm going to blanch my vegetable in here. Okay, I'm not going to blanch all, only baby corn and snow peas. Okay, that's all. All you need to do, just put it in all together. you just need a blanch about 1 minute, should be fine. Okay, and this will be help cook to the baby corn and keep our snow pea green. All right, like that. Okay, now after about 1 minute, then we can take our baby corn and the snow pea out. As you can see, so beautiful color come out already. Okay, in this stage, we can just switch off our heat. Then immediately same going to icing water. That will immediately stop the heat go to and can keep it green and a nice color like this. All right, that is ready. We can just put it back to standby again. The next step, we're going to start to fry our udon. All right, now my pan is already heated up. Then all you need to do just vegetable oil, any kind of vegetable oil can work in. And this time I use just canola oil. Okay, oil in. Now let me show you the step. The first we're going in is our green onion. Okay. Yeah, first thing in is the green onion, also the spring onion white part. Then we can go in our mushroom and at the same time our onion in. Okay. Then this is start to create nice aroma. Okay. There we go. Can you smell? Of course you not. I wish one day in the future the technology can come up like when you see the video, then you also at the same time can smell. All right. But so far only can hear the sound. All right. Okay. When you see aroma, the smell fragrance come out, then you can start to put your carrot in. Just give a little stir. Next step, as you can see, some onions started browning. Okay, then you go to side. Next step, very important, udon first. Because udon, remember udon now is cold. So you want to go back to the fry and also create nice fragrance. Then coating the fragrance into the udon. Like that. Okay. Okay, after udon in, fry about a minute. Okay, it's time for our garlic. Garlic, the reason I put the garlic after, because if you put the garlic in the beginning, the garlic will getting burned. Okay, remember, very important, the garlic will getting burned. So garlic put the after. Okay, just create, okay, when you smell the garlic flavor come out, now it's time for our sauce. Okay, now let's put our sauce in. Ready? Then keep a stir fry, stir. Okay, as you can see, the color started to change. Okay, the last step is our blanch vegetable in and green part of the spring onion in. Okay, the reason I put the last of the spring onion green part because I want to keep that nice green color. As you can see, very colorful fried udon. That is fried udon done. Okay, now we can start plating our beautiful yaki udon like that. Okay, as you can see. In this way. Okay, nice presentation, just clean up. Okay, voila, this is my beautiful yaki udon. Let's have some taste. Oh, look at that, hot. Oh. the fragrance will come out. The texture of udon still give you crunchy. And afterward, the apple sweet, nature sweet. Then start to come out with the ginger, after the garlic. At the same time, when it's crunchy, I do bite onion crunchy, the try with some bacon. Beautiful. The mushroom. Such beautiful veg yaki udon. So nice. Alright, this is my how to make vegetarian yaki udon. If you enjoy the show, don't forget click like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.